Yo, what's going on, everyone? So today what we're going to try to do is get the cab on. I got the cab mounts over there, and we're going to try to put this cab on. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet because I'm by myself today, but I have a couple ideas. First thing I'm going to do is probably roll the chassis out to the driveway, and then maybe get my cherry picker and make something so that way we could lift the cab up and just put it over. Oh, well, it's on, sort of. Didn't think I was going to be able to do that by myself, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. It's heavy, but it wasn't too bad. Now, obviously, we're off. We're sitting on frame, so we need to figure out how to move it. Okay, so cab is on. All the holes line up right there. That one might need to be moved a little bit more, but the cab is on. So now I need to put the cab mounts on, which are easy because that's why I have the jack here, so we could just lift it up, put them on underneath. I need to read and see how the cab mounts work because this is my first time ever putting a cab on. This is my first big project actually forever. So yeah, give me a minute and let me see how to put it. And that should be good to go. So now we should be able to just come down. Of course, my jack's gonna mess up. All right, so we got the first one done. First one of many. Shoot. Let's start on the next one. Okay. So we got the cab mounted. Everything's wrapped, bolts are tight. So now I'm gonna start working on the front end. And what I have to do on the front end is we need to get the rack and pinion so we can be able to steer. And I got some wheels coming in, they're just gonna be rollers, just so I can roll it in and out. We're on a trailer. I was looking at the cab and there's a little bit of rust there in the window. On the other side too. Other than that, the cab is pretty good. It's not bad. So yeah, we're probably going to take it to a friend to have it fixed. So it's probably going to be it for today. I don't really know what else to do right now because I need to order some stuff. But we'll see what we do in the next video.